Very good morning once again, class plus 1B. So today we are going to revise. We have done letter writing in previous classes also. Fine. So this is a kind of revision only. But in this class, we are going to do today. Letter writing specifically in your syllabus is letter writing to higher authorities, school or college authorities. Specifically, it is mentioned in the 2 syllabus. Fine. So in context to that, we will be doing related to educational institutes. Fine. The format remains the same, but even then we will revise. So I'm going to remove the mic. I will speak. I will pick it up. Write down sentence address. First of all, sentence address. This is the margin of your paper support. Right? Then skip one line and date. Then skip one line. Receiver's address. Then again skip one line. Subject. Salutation. Now in this case, dear will be replaced because in business letters you have done dear and all. Respected sir or madam, right, depending upon the statement. Then after that, introductory paragraph. No talking, beta. ये first हो गया. Second para will be, you can say, main body of the letter. The whole content is called body of letter otherwise, fine, but main body of the letter or the basic content related to the statement जिसमें आ जाता है आपका. Then in third paragraph is the concluding paragraph. Then you skip one line. Yours truly, name, designation if it is given. I will discuss in detail the content also. Yes, online children, it is visible to you, I hope. Last word is designation, okay? So please note down everyone. First of all, sender's address, the person who is writing the letter. Suppose your name is given, you are fine, Raman or Ravi, whatever name is given, clear? That your address is given, B12, Model Town, Ludhiana, that will be sender's address then, clear? Then date as per the format, clear? What is the correct format of writing the date? This only the way, this is even incorrect. I have written NOV here. You will write complete 18 November 2021. You will not put any comma or full stop. Okay, that is the correct format. Like this. These are the small things, but actually it matters because marks deduct हो जाएंगे. कुछ बच्चे NOV लिख देते हैं, कुछ बच्चे 18, 11 लिख देते हैं. In that way, you will not use numerics. In English letter, we use this format only. Clear? So this is the way we write date. And after writing date, you will not write the word date. Directly date likhoge. This word will not be written. Okay? Is it clear? So then you will skip a line. After sender's address, write date. Then again you skip a line. Then receiver's address. Now always remember in receiver's address, there will be one designation. You will see your statement, whether it is writing right to the principal, to the director, to the head. Fine, any designation can be there. It does not mean when you're writing to educational authorities, it means always principal will be there. Head of the institute, you can say headmistress of the institute, director of the institute, principal of the institute, whosoever is there, whatever designation is given, then you will be writing the principal, the director, the headmistress, whatever is given in the statement. Fine. Then name of that institute and city. 3-line address basically. Sender's address also for 3 lines and receiver's address also remain in 3 lines. And no commas, no full stops to be written here. Then again you skip a line, or here now you will write subject and you will highlight the subject by underlining it also. This is important. Your subject should be highlighted by underlining it. Now subject, it can be a complaint, it can be an inquiry, fine. It can be any suggestion related to any issue. So when you're writing to higher authority, suppose you're facing some problem or some issue in your school or college or any institute, even your tuition center, anything can be there. So you can write subject accordingly. Clear? You're not getting good water facility or clean water facility, you're not getting in your school, suppose, or where you are going for your, you can say tuitions and all, or any academy you have joined there also. Somebody is bullying you over there, that problem you're facing, people are trying to snub you. Clear? Or any issue, n number of issues are there, even you cannot imagine how many issues are there. Clear? Light facility is not there, or regarding your syllabus, a particular subject, fine, anything can be there. It can be inquiry about joining something also, the way you have done inquiry letter in business letters, you remember that, but here you are going to write to higher authorities, fine. So it can be any issue, you will be writing your subject here, fine. You will not write regarding dash, ing words not to be mentioned here. Most of the students, they start by complaining about, regarding, ing words not to be written here. The complaint about, you will not write complaining about, that becomes an action word, ing when you add, that is the continuous tense, fine. So you'll be writing complaint about whatever complaint you want to make, inquiry about short-term course, whatever you want to ask. So in that way you will be writing your subject. Then respected sir or ma'am, then both you will not write, depending again upon the statement. If it is female, they have mentioned the name accordingly. If nothing is mentioned, choose accordingly. That is your wish, whether you want to write sir or ma'am. Then next line, just below this, you will start. Now let's talk about what to write in the body of the letter or content part of the letter. I'll be writing the value points. Please note down. In the value points, in first paragraph, you will be introducing yourself, that who you are. First thing is to tell who you are. Like, I am Akshay of this class. Then second paragraph, introduce yourself and reason of writing the letter. Clear? Then second paragraph, main content comes. Discuss the problem, if it is a problem based. Make complaints. Or inquiry, depending upon the statement. Or be depend karega what is there in your statement. Suggestions or seek response from them. If you have made a query, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, that response is sought within a fortnight, and in that way you give suggestions, you seek response. Clear? So this is the Yes, online children also better kindly note down. So in the very first paragraph, you will introduce yourself and you will tell the reason of writing the letter. Clear? And then in second paragraph, you will discuss the problem in detail. And you will make complaints, you will make inquiries, but do not, go for the rigid content. Make variation. If you are inquiring, let me know, please. I would like to ask about, I would like to inquire about. Find different words you have to use to make 3-4 inquiries. It doesn't mean if it's a letter of inquiry, you will ask one question only. Fine. So in the last, you will give suggestions. If in case of some problem is there, then you can give suggestions. If it is a letter of inquiry, you will ask for that, please reply as soon as possible. Fine. In that way, response is sought from the authority. So immediate, please take immediate action in this regard. If any emergency case is there, in that way, it depends now what is there in the statement. Accordingly, you will write content and suggestions or seek response accordingly. And you will also thank them. Or the way, how do you conclude the letter? Kindly look into the matter as soon as possible. Fine. In that way, it can be a request to the authority at last. You can add up by requesting the authority to look into the matter or to take immediate actions to solve the problem. So that should be there. At last, you will write yours truly. Your name, yes, beta? Yes, that you can mention reasons. Fine. If any problem is there, or it depends again on the statement. We will do one example that will be more clear to you. So please note down one statement. You are, write down the statement. You are Anand or Akshata of, you are Anand or Akshata of 3 Jawahar Nagar, Jaipur. You are Anand or Akshata of 3, Jawahar Nagar, Jaipur. Your school library doesn't have various encyclopedias, spelling आते हैं encyclopedia की. Who will correct, spell it correctly? Spelling पूछे हैं वैभव, जोक सपाट. Yes, Dijit, follow the. नहीं आते हैं, sure. Always remember encyclo, then PAEDIA, right? Encyclo. Related to the various subjects. The school library does not have encyclopedias related to various subjects. Write a letter to the principal of your school. Write a letter to the principal of your school, arranging for the same. Arranging for the same. Clear? So here, when you want to make complaint also, it is not like that complaint that in a negative way. You know, you should be you're educated person, the way you will be telling that there is dearth of encyclopedias. Dearth means kami hai. DEARTH. This is a word. DEARTH. Dearth means there is less number of encyclopedias. And fine. And now it's your creativity. You people, what you take, whatever is written in the statement, you have to add up your points into it. Firstly, you will be mentioning your name is given. Fine. Akshita. Fine. So whatever address is given, you start writing accordingly. Clear? Let me discuss the content first. So you have written here which address. Okay. Harmanjot बोलिए क्या आएगा sender's address में? ठीक है. Now it is a 2-line address only. Otherwise I said na in 3 lines you have to write sender's address. Sometimes lane number, street number is given, then you will write in 3 lines. Otherwise 3-Jawahar Nagar. No comma, no full stop. Next line Jaipur. Then what you will do? You will skip 1 line. Next, हाँ जी. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? Date. Date के बाद receiver address बोलो आप. The principal. School name is given or not? So you will not write any name or any name of your school also. You will not write or any other name. You will just write ABC Public School or XYZ Public School. Fine. In case names are not given, do not write on your own. Fine. XYZ Public School. And obviously city is given to you Jaipur, तो आप जलंधर नहीं लिख दोगे वहाँ पे principal. This is quite obvious that the school also is in Jaipur only. Clear? So you will write, you have to be smart enough to perceive the content. So the principal, ABC Public School, next line में Jaipur. Fine. And then yes, Vansh बताओ जरा subject क्या होएगा? Complaint about, is it a complaint firstly? Tell me. Arrangement of encyclopedias in school library. Less number of encyclopedias in school library. That can also be there. Fine. Need of, the exact subject is, rather than telling that there are less, your subject should be need of more encyclopedias in school library. That is the apt one. Because you're going to talk about that, there is more need of, fine, in that way. So need of more encyclopedias in school library. Fine. Now respected ma'am, because name is given to you. No, whatever you want to write, respected sir or respected ma'am. Then now what will be the yes? Nidhi bataiye first line. You have to introduce yourself only. Name is given. Aage. I am Akshita of class +1B. Then see first line में भी आपको problem हो रहा है, आराम से सोच के बोलो. That is your choice. That is not mandatory. Yes, here you have to skip a line about after sender's address. Then you will write date. Again, after date also you have to skip a line. Receiver's address. Then again skip a line and subject. After that, your choice. We have to bifurcate these 3-4 things. Subject के बाद immediately you can start in the next line. Respected sir or ma'am, that doesn't matter. Okay. Now I'm just online children also. Divnoor, Ishnur, Japan, Khyati, Mitali. Please, you can answer. You can raise your hand. Otherwise, तो मेरे को बोलना पड़ता है. Hand in raise करते हो. Anjali also. So yes, we were going to say. So no commas. I have not written anything here. It means no. No commas and full stops in the beginning. Here, salutation. What do we call it? Yes, this is called salutation part. Respected sir or ma'am. This is called body of the letter. In MCQs, you have done in the previous term. Fine. This is called complimentary clause, where we sign ourselves and our designation is written. Fine. Complimentary clause is there. Fine. Or sometimes we call it subscription also. So you should know the terminology. Now you will introduce yourself that this is to bring, then you can, after introducing that I am Akshita of class +1 in your school. Fine. Then in a very formal way, you have to tell. This is a formal only letter, not informal. This is to bring to your kind notice Fine, kind notice. In a very humble way, you will request to the principal that this is to bring to your kind notice that there is dearth of encyclopedias in the school library. Fine, rest of the information I'm not going to tell you. How you can add up more content, you tell me now. You have to write content, what you will add up. Yes, one by one, please give me the suggestion, Jaldi. Yes, you can mention the name of subjects. Being medical students specifically, you know that there are encyclopedias related to medical terminology also, or particular subject also, that you can mention. Then, or you can also mention that how there is hindrance in your studies, that you can also mention that you have always topped the class and you have been a keen learner and you are a regular visitor to the library who keeps on searching new books. Diljit is smiling that how come hum to kabhi library gaye hi nahi hai na, isliye हंस रहे हो ना, chalk लेने गया था, शर्म कर लो. But even then, you people, you should visit library. Beta, there are books which are useful to you. Fine, do visit and please. So accordingly, so you will mention that I'm a regular visitor of the library, that I have been getting many books in the past, but I have noted that there is dearth of encyclopedias, and being medical students, we are in need of it. Fine. Then after discussing the problem, clear, you can add up more content. I have put my request letter into the request box also of the school, but no response was given. Fine. Then after that, third paragraph, suggestions or request. I request you to kindly look into this matter so that students will not suffer for their studies and we can add up more into our knowledge, and definitely we will get good marks in exams also. Fine. Looking forward for your response in that way, or in that way, you will not write looking forward for your response in this letter. No. To principal, you will not write, but you will just make request. So it's a humble request to kindly what you can use again, that kindly look into this matter so that we can study regularly by, you can say, referring to various encyclopedias. Clear? Then yours truly, your name and your designation. Your designation is not given in this statement. Sometimes it is given your head boy, head girl, fine, class monitor, whatever designation is given, you will mention that, nahi to marks katenge. If it is not mentioned, then you can skip. Now, any doubt to anyone? Start writing then. Start writing jaldi se. By the time I will give one more letter to you for the practice. Yes, write down the statement, beta. You are, one more letter because bell hone wali hai, I guess within 2-3 minutes. One letter regarding, we have just made a complaint kind of thing. It is that less number of encyclopedias. Another is inquiry kind of. Write down. You are Aman or Aarti of 119 Church Road, Kanpur. You are Aman or Aarti of 119 Church Road, Kanpur. You are interested in doing a short-term course in public speaking. You are interested in doing a short-term course in public speaking for your personality enrichment. You are interested in doing a short-term course in public speaking for your personality enrichment during your summer vacation. During your summer vacation, full stop. Short-term course. I repeat, you are Aman or Aarti of 119 Church Road, Kanpur. You are interested in doing a short-term course in public speaking for your personality enrichment during your summer vacation. Write a letter to the director, personal center उसकी center का name है. Write a letter to the director, personal center, sector 22, Chandigarh, inquiring about the duration of such a course and the terms and conditions for admission to. And the terms and conditions for admission to. Now, hints are given in the statement itself. Content to आधा यहीं से बन जाना है. That you will make inquiry about admission process. Fine, you will ask about terms and conditions. You will ask about duration of the course, 3 month hai, short term hai, long term hai. Because they have mentioned short term, so you will ask 1 month, 2 month or 3 months course. You can ask about fee structure. You can ask about teacher taught ratio. Fine. The way we have done letter of inquiry. Clear? So this is your homework. You will do it. You will practice it and test will be shared with you. Okay? Okay, beta. Have a nice day.